This fucking microphone. Come on. Fuck, we're gonna have to do like this. Oh, fuck off. Come on, man. Lock it in place. You gotta be fucking kidding me, right? Hold on, guys. Perfect, alright. Welcome back to another fucking review on the fucking channel. And we're gonna be doing Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2013. And all I'm gonna say before this video is, if anyone ever gets mad at this shit, or if you get mad at me saying this, I think this is a great fucking movie. Like, not a lot of people like it for a particular reason, but I think